Hello guys, I want to talk about this tab. I want to lay a complaint about this tab. I bought this tab some months back and I used it, but it was somehow shaky for me, so I had to switch between this and my Wacom tab. So when I finally came back to this tab, trying to use it, I discovered something. Now, when we work, after a while, we want to clean our tabs, our laptops, and every other thing. But I found out that I have issues with the button areas. Usually, sometimes when I press these buttons, it fails to respond. And sometimes when I even try to navigate with it, it will just be stuck inside, and that is a serious problem for me, because when I want to do a fast work and that is happening, it delays the work. Then right now I want to clean the buttons and clean everything, and I realized that I couldn't even touch the button with something that I can use in cleaning it, because the rubber that was used in sealing the area of the buttons, the rubber has a gum-like material that was placed on it. So probably due to cold or some other things, the rubber is now sticky. And that makes it look very, very rough and bad, which I don't like. So if you're producing your next tab, I pray you fix this. I plead with you that you fix this, because it's not really working for me. And I'm sure I might not be using this that much because of that button issues and some other issues I found with this tab. So if you think this got to you, you could, I could do a video. If you're using this tab too, I could do another random video talking about everything I don't like about the tab. Probably you two are facing what I don't like on the tab. So this was a short video for me to lay a complaint about what I don't like about this tab.